Hola, hola everyone. Today we are in beautiful Thessaloniki, Greece, and I'm taking advantage of this beautiful landscape. You can do this exercise anywhere you want. I am taking advantage of this railing and a bench to do some stretching, to remain present and to not get too in my head.
You can do this sitting down or standing against, and we're just going to find a surface to place our weights there. And you can practice doing some swinging from side to side, or noticing the surfaces of your body that are making contact with that. Try any movements that feels good at the time, some back stretching or swaying. Just notice that feeling of touch, of engagement, of a stretch. Only focus on what feels right at the moment, and how then that influences your senses and taking in the gorgeous surroundings you are in or the present moment. So it can really help ground you, focus you, so you can enjoy the rest of your day.
Sending lots of love from Thessaloniki, Greece, which has been amazing, this experience at a conference, and I hope to move with you again very, very soon.